Okay, so here we go. Here are some problems from section 2.6. Not gonna do all of them, just some of them. Plotting points here, do that kind of stuff. Graphing. I probably don't need to go too crazy on it. But yeah, basically now we're talking about all 4 quadrants. So first of all, the quadrants start in the top right. It's the positive x, positive y. We go 1, and then we go counterclockwise around. So, so this one is plus, positive, and positive. Excuse me. Negative, positive. Negative, negative. Positive, negative. So by that, it says, graph and label each point and then tell which quadrant it's located on. It's pretty easy now if you kind of know the trick to go, oh, well, let's see, they're both positive. Oh, that's a first quadrant point. Negative x, positive y. Negative x, oh, that's second quadrant. Over here, negative, negative. Oh, that's a third quadrant. So you can do those things. And then it's just a matter of plotting it out. So like number 3 is at -4, -11. So that's the third quadrant number because I've gone left 4, down 11. Because what negative means, just left for negative x, down for negative y. So left 4, down -11, right there, point C. Now, where things get tricky at is number 8, actually. Number 8's a tricky problem because it's 0, -8. So I'm not going to go left or right any for x, but I'm going to go down 8. Well, that puts you right here at H. And that's not actually in a quadrant. That's on an axis. So we would say then y-axis. Let's see, number 11. Make a table of values and then plot it. Here's the key to this. Pick numbers that fit here on the x's. So, for instance, like -4, -3, -2, and then, I don't know, 2, 3, 4. Just pick those numbers. Now do 5 minus those numbers. Well, 5 minus -4 is actually +9. 5 minus -3 is 8. 5 minus -2 is 7. 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now, -4, 9 is the first ordered pair. It doesn't fit, but you know what? Throw it out up there. That's where it'd be about at. Here's 7, here's 8, so 9's going to be about there. -3, 8. -2, 7. 2, 3. 3, 2. And then 4, 1. Describe the graph. I would say it looks like a line. What's happening here? Okay. That's all lining up. That's number 11. And then last but not least, what we'll look at here. Number 5. Yeah, 5 works. So LaShawn and his friends are planning a trip to the amusement park. They use the map below to plan out their trip to the park. What are the coordinates of the roller coaster and water slide? Well, roller coaster is right here. Okay. Roller coaster right here. It's over 4 up 3, and it's right 4 up 3, so it's positive for both. So 4, 3. And then the water slide is right 2, but down 1, 2, 3, 5, so it's +2, -5. B, which amusement park is located at -3, 2? So here's 0, so left 3, up 2. Oh, that's the bungee jump. And then C, if you're located at -2, -1, which amusement are you closest to? So -2 and -1, and then explain. This is kind of tricky because you might think, oh, the snack bar, because the snack bar is just like, it's in the same left-hand corner here. But, let me color this in a different color. Here is where -2, -1 is. It's right here. The closest one is really the bungee jump. Okay? Not in the same quadrant, but it's the closest one. Shortest distance to get there. There you go. So those are some problems from section 2.6. If you got any questions, come in before school or whatever it is, sometime you can come in and we'll take a look.